Toyscoveries video. Today we are unboxing Mr. Potato Head by Playskool. Before we unbox it, we are gonna look at the box first. So it's the classic Mr. Potato Head. You can mix and match here. And you can do different stuff with all the parts it has. So we're gonna try some fun stuff as well. See, this little kid has put his nose on his ear and his hand where his ear is supposed to go. That's so funny. So Mr. Potato comes with all these parts over here. A potato, feet, eyes, hands, a hat, a mustache, a mouth, 2 ears, glasses, a tongue, and a nose. How fun! Oh, over here it says discover the world of Playskool friends. So you can get different versions of Mr. Potato Head. Awesome! So let's unbox it and see what we can make out of Mr. Potato Head. So we're gonna open the top and pull him out. Whoa, there we go. Kind of ripped the box there. So here he is, out of the box and ready to be played with. This is what he looks like normally, but we're gonna take him apart and see what kind of funny things we can do with him. Let's take his hat off, his eyes off, his nose, and his mustache, his mouth, and his shoes. Oh, I hear something. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Oh, this is how you open it up. Wow! So I spot some glasses. Awesome! And a tongue. How cute. Okay, so that's a nice little storage to have if you want to take the extra pieces with you. And these are all the parts that Mr. Potato Head comes with. So now we're going to use these pieces and see what we can create. I'm going to take Mr. Potato and we're going to place him on the stand like this. Let's start creating different things out of our Mr. Potato Head. I think we should put his eyes where his nose is supposed to go. And we should put his nose on the side where his ear is supposed to go. And we should put his smile, this piece over here, we should put it on top where his eyes were supposed to go. Let's put his one ear on the side. Another one on top. Oh, he's all mixed up. And we should put an arm over here. You kind of have to push it in. And the other arm down below. There we go. And we should stick the tongue in here. Oh, he looks so mixed up. Let's see what else we can create. So let's take everything off again. So now that we have everything off again, we should make a very serious Mr. Potato Head. So let's go. We're gonna put both of the ears in the correct spot. One here, one there. We're gonna put the arms and we're gonna put his eyes and his big red nose and we should put... I think we should stick the tongue in like this. Oh wait, maybe we should put the mustache in first. We should take the nose out and then stick it over here like that. Haha, there we go, and we should stick in the tongue. And then we're gonna put on the glasses. Wow, he looks very serious. Let's put on a hat to make it even more serious. And he's a very, well, somewhat, because he's taking out his tongue, serious Mr. Potato Head. Let's get all the pieces out again and see what else we can create. So getting the arms off, the ears, the glasses, the hat, the eyes, the red nose, and the black mustache. We're gonna put he's gonna have only one ear. His eyes are gonna be upside down. He's gonna have a hand for an ear. He's gonna have a mouth for a nose. He's gonna wear a hat because why not? And he's going to have a nose for a mouth. Wow, he looks very, very scared. I will call this the scared Mr. Potato Head. It looks like he saw something and he's trying to run away. So now that we have an empty canvas, no parts, we're gonna slowly create a very happy Mr. Potato Head. We're gonna start from the very top. We're gonna put the black hat on, like this. Whoops, we put it backwards. And now we're gonna put the eyes, like that. And we're gonna put the nose, his red nose. And to make him extra happy, we're gonna put the big mouth in. But we're gonna put it correctly and not upside down so he can look very happy. And I think he would like some ears so he can listen. Let's put one ear in. There we go. Let's put another ear in. That's it. And now let's put his hands. We're gonna put one there and he's gonna say hi. And we're gonna put the other one in. And he's gonna pretend to hold his belly because he's laughing so hard. He's so happy. And he's gonna also put some glasses to see you guys more clearly. There he is. He's all happy and ready to go. The possibilities are endless. Let's try to create one more face on Mr. Potato Head. So now that we've taken out all of Mr. Potato's head parts, we are going to do something completely different. We're going to take Mr. Potato Head and we're going to put him upside down on his feet. Like that. And we're going to try to make a face with an upside down Mr. Potato Head. So we're going to put the mouth here. Put it like this, a little bit of sideways, and we're gonna put a hand on top and some eyes on the side, like that, an ear for a nose, and a nose for for eyes. He's all mixed up again. I think you're missing something, Mr. Potato Head. We should put your tongue and a mustache on the side of your head, like this. Whoa, he's all mixed up. So let's go ahead and take him apart and see what else we can do. So I have another idea. I think we should make Mr. Potato Head normally, but upside down. So we're gonna put his eyes here at the very top. And we're gonna put his nose over here and his mouth over here. So now that we've put the mouth in, I decided we should put in the mustache. So we're gonna take the nose out again and put the mustache like that. We're gonna put his ears in. 1 and 2. He has 2 ears. And his arms. 1 here. And 1 over here. Like that. And now, I think we should turn him upside down. Whoa, and we're gonna flip him. And look at that! He looks so happy now. He forgot his hat, the black hat. And now he looks all good. With these extra parts that we have, we can store them in the back of Mr. Potato Head. Whoops, his arms fell out. So let's put them back in. And we're gonna open up his back over here and we're gonna store in our extra pieces so we don't lose them. We're gonna close that up, turn Mr. Potato Head around again. There we go. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed unboxing Mr. Potato Head and creating different faces, putting his arms and ears and eyes and hat everywhere in different places. I hope you enjoyed having fun learning and playing with Mr. Potato Head. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, kids, bye!